There is a lie almost every trader hears early, and most traders believe it. The lie is simple: find the perfect strategy, and profits will follow. This idea sounds logical, comforting, and completely misleading, because if strategy alone was enough, most traders would not struggle. Welcome to the Phantom Trader world, where clarity comes before execution. Markets are filled with strategies, indicators, systems, courses, yet the majority still lose. The real problem is not the lack of strategies. It is the belief that strategy removes responsibility. A strategy does not trade for you. It does not control your emotions, and it does not protect you from yourself. Many traders hide behind systems. They blame the setup when things go wrong, instead of examining behavior. This creates the biggest illusion in trading: that execution is automatic. But execution is human. Two traders can use the same strategy, with the same rules, on the same market, and still get opposite results. The difference is not the entry, it is discipline. A strategy defines conditions, but discipline defines consistency. Most traders break rules under pressure, after losses, during drawdowns. When expectations are challenged, that is when the strategy stops working. Not because the market changed, but because behavior did. Another part of this lie is the belief that a strategy guarantees certainty. Markets never offer certainty. They only offer probability. A strategy is a framework to manage probability, not a promise of outcomes. Professional traders understand this. They judge a strategy over a series of trades, not one result, not one week, not one emotional moment. They also understand limits. No strategy works in all conditions. No setup avoids drawdowns. No system replaces risk control. This is why professionals focus on process, position sizing, risk limits, consistency. The strategy is only one component, not the foundation. When traders accept this, their relationship with the market changes. Losses stop being personal. Outcomes stop defining identity, and improvement becomes possible. The biggest trading lie is not that strategies do not work. It is believing that they work alone. A strategy is a tool. Discipline is the system, and behavior decides the outcome. If this video added clarity to how you see trading, support this work. An interaction tells the algorithm this foundation matters. A subscription tells me to keep building it with you.